Alright YouTubers, I even had this tractor a month. This LS MT468, and already I'm modifying the bucket. What I'm going to do is I'll mount these hooks. Now I know a lot of guys say, oh no, don't put them there, put them there so they're in line with the cylinder. Well, I could. This is a heavy enough bucket. I should be able to, just like on my toy tractor, set these hooks right about there, just outside of the where that hull hooks up. I should be okay. Now, in addition to doing this pre-manufactured hook, I've got a pre-manufactured clevis hook up mount, and it is going to go it's going to go right underneath, and that way I have that kind of setup. I know it's dark, can't really see it, but that way I can put a 1/2 inch shanked clevis hook right there, hook straps on, wherever else. Now yes, this is a heavy duty bucket. There is a large square tube in behind here, so I have to get longer bolts for this. Hang on a second, I'll show you where I found these. And there you go. For inquiring minds that want to know, where did I find these hooks and clevises? Right there. Yep, they are Ken's bolt-on grab hook instructions and all right here. All the stuff you need to know. I am under no affiliation with the BoltOnHooks unit or corporation, or I don't even know Ken that has the business. I just know I've seen him on YouTube, you know, again, trying to figure out what to put on here that's already pre-made and quality made and all that. His name come up a lot. His product come up a lot, so I went with it. So anyway, I'm going to mark this stuff out, make holes, bolt up, and get this project done. I know he's got videos on how to do it, so you don't need me to show you how to do it. He has instructions there. He has videos doing it on the compact and subcompact units. Granted, this may not be meant to be used on a utility size like I have, but I know I'll be okay with those for my purpose. Now, if I ever sell the tractor, whoever does what with the tractor, if they break it, that's on them as far as I'm concerned. But this will work out just fine for me to pick up whatever I got to pick up and move around and go from there. So anyway, that being said, let me get this project done. I'll show you the final end result, and we'll just go from there. Hang around. We'll show you the finished product. Okay, YouTubers, with the exception of the background noise, here's the final end result. We can now take and hook our chain here on top and pick things up with this hook. And then because we have a shackle mount down here, we can hook our 1/2 inch shackle right there and pick up stuff with a load strap or whatever. What I've done, for those that want to know, yes, this is a utility size tractor. I know the BoltOnHooks are primarily for compact and subcompact tractors, but we're just a step above compact. But what I've done, okay, I've got 2 hooks, one on each side, and I've set them so that, now I know a lot of you, and even the BoltOnHooks guy, Ken said, put them right here in line with the cylinder. But I like mine just a little bit wider. So now this is a 78-inch bucket from that side to that side. So what I done was I came in from here over 12 inches. And that just leaves you about an inch between here and a couple inches between here and here. Maybe about 3 inches. That's how I did my other loader on my John Deere 4600, aka toy tractor. I had the hooks off to one side, and it worked fine with everything I did. So yeah, project complete. Yeah, I ain't had the tractor a month and already putting holes in a bucket. So anyway, there's that project. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.